Hi everyone, welcome to Ship Talk. My name is Nathan, Marketing Director at Logistic, where we help companies better monitor, manage, and reduce their shipping costs. And today I am joined by my esteemed colleague, Johnny, Audit and Client Support Manager here at Logistic. And we're going to be talking about refund recovery. Sound good?
Sounds great.
Let's jump right into it. Okay. So let's talk about refund recovery. Logistic automatically audits UPS and FedEx invoices for errors. You and I both know this since we work here. But once those errors are identified, what happens?
Well, one of two things can happen. If you're a free audit client of ours, basically we'll present that information to you on our platform. That's a free sign up, and then you can go after those credits yourself. Or if you're a audit and recovery client of ours, then basically we will start the refund recovery process for you.
Okay, so in general terms, what is refund recovery?
Refund recovery is a logistic process in which we perform on behalf of our clients, where we reach out to the carriers to request money back for any carrier invoice errors that we uncover during our audit process.
Great, thanks for that explanation. So, we rely on UPS and FedEx a lot. Are UPS and FedEx easy to work with when it comes to recovering refunds?
No. No, they make it a little difficult for us. Honestly, it's in their best business interest to basically say no to us, to decline any credits that we're trying to get. Any money that they say no to us is money in their pocket. So they make it kind of difficult for us, whether it be through like wait times, exceptions that they will give for credits, saying that why they can't give it to us, or like guaranteed service waivers, things like that. They do make it difficult for us to get those credits. For sure.
Okay, so without the use of a service like Logistic or otherwise, is it possible to recover refunds on your own if you're a small business or a medium-sized business?
Yeah, I would say it's possible, but you just have to be ready. It's gonna take some time and some effort and some knowledge for sure. And yeah, and like you said, small to medium, yeah, it's possible, it's doable. But if you're a large company, you would probably need a whole team just because of all of the shipments that you'd have to review, audit, and try to recover upon. It would take a lot of time.
Okay, yeah, and I know that you and I are going to talk about the logistic process specifically at a later date, but I figured it was worth asking the question now.
Of course. Okay,
so then on that same note, are there any tips that you can share for anyone trying to recover refunds without the use of Logistic, other than don't try because it's very difficult?
Some tips is to make sure you have enough time. Time and patience, I would say, is a key thing for sure. The biggest tip I would say, though, is to get yourself familiar with the carrier service guides. Both UPS and FedEx have one. If you can get yourself pretty familiar with those, you can really better persuade the carriers to give you those credits by knowing their rules and regulations.
Great. So I think we've done a pretty good job at a high level covering what refund recovery is. So Johnny, I just want to say thank you for your insight.
I appreciate it.
For more information on how you can recover refunds or how you can join thousands of other businesses currently using Logistic to monitor, manage, and reduce shipping costs, please visit our website at www.logistic.com and create your free Logistic account today to send cost packing. Until next time, take care.